In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear protection history in Microsoft Defender. If your Windows Security app is cluttered with old detections or you're troubleshooting an alert that keeps reappearing, clearing protection. History can help you start fresh. I'll walk you through 3 reliable approaches, starting with the quickest, then moving to a manual cleanup, and finally an optional log clear using Event Viewer. First, try the quick method inside Windows Security. Open the Start menu and search for Windows Security. Once it opens, go to Virus and Threat Protection, then select Protection History. At the top of the list, look for an option such as Clear History, Remove, or Clear All. If you see it, click it and confirm. This removes the visible history cards you're seeing in the app. Keep in mind, though, that many versions of Windows no longer show a bulk clear button, and even when they do, it might only clear what you see in the interface, not everything stored behind the scenes. If that option isn't there, or it doesn't remove everything, use the manual method to delete Defender's stored protection history files. Press the Windows key +R to open the Run dialog, paste the path, C, Program, Data, Microsoft/Windows Defender/scans, history, and press Enter. If the folder looks empty, turn on Hidden Items from the View menu in File Explorer so you can see it. Open the Service folder inside History, select all files, and delete them. Close File Explorer and restart your PC to complete the cleanup. You may need administrator permissions to access and delete these files. If Windows blocks you, try running File Explorer as an administrator or using Safe Mode, then repeat the same steps. This method wipes the stored history, which is often what keeps old entries around. As an optional cleanup, you can also clear Defender's event log entries. Press Windows +R, type eventviewer.msc, and press Enter to open Event Viewer. Navigate to Applications and Services logs, then Microsoft, Windows, Windows Defender, and select Operational. Right-click Operational and choose Clear Log. If you want a backup, pick Save and Clear, otherwise, choose Clear. This removes Defender's detection entries from the event logs, but doesn't affect your protection settings or quarantine. After you've cleared things up, new detections will appear again as Defender continues to protect your system. Clearing history doesn't reduce security, it just resets what you see. And that's how you clean up protection history in Microsoft Defender quickly and thoroughly.